Hi guys, my name is Aliya and I'm here at Aquatica Orlando here in KareKare Curl. It is opening and look, it's amazing. Never been to Aquatica before, first time stepping in the park. One, you can swim with dolphins while going through a tube ride, insane. And I'm really scared because I don't know what's about to happen. I'm excited for you guys to see my first reaction because, I mean, look at it. It's amazing. I was not expecting that drop at all. Came out of nowhere. The water was cold.
So fun though.
It was amazing.
Oh my God.
Like I want to go again because I've experienced it.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do it again.
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely.
As you get into the tubes, you're going to be facing each other, and you go down sort of a relaxing flume portion to start, but then you drop into this real steep drop. It's a 35-foot drop up into our wave wall, and you're going to get a brief moment of weightlessness, and then after that, you're going to splash out into our splash-out pool and get a little bit wet.
Are these rafts anywhere else in the park?
No, this is unique raft for us. So this two-person design where you face each other.
Yeah. I loved it. My friend and I went, and we loved seeing our reactions for the first time, going down that huge entire drop. Mm-hmm. It may not look that bad, but when you go, it's a little terrifying. I suggest holding on real tight. You know.
It's a steep drop.
Yes, for sure. Ready? The amount of speed that you guys get with you and your partner sitting next to you is amazing. The view from the top, you can see all of Aquatica and SeaWorld. I have to say, first time at Aquatica, check this off. If you ever come here, enjoy a bite to eat, go into the wave pool, but definitely visit KareKare.